Are you tired of the same school hairstyle every day? In this video, I'll show you the 10 best school hairstyles that are cute, trendy, quick to do, and perfect for busy mornings. Whether you have short, medium, or long hair, you'll find a style you'll love. Let's get started. 1. First, divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Starting on one side, create a French braid from the top, then continue with a regular braid all the way down and secure it with a hair tie. Repeat the same steps on the other side, and just like that, you'll have 2 gorgeous, perfectly braided sections. 2. Part your hair slightly to one side. Make a mini braid in the middle on one side, then repeat on the other side. Next, braid the rest of the hair on both sides, leaving a few strands loose at the front. 3. For short hair, create a mini braid on each side from the middle. Gather the top back section of your hair, braid it together with both mini braids, and secure it with a hair tie. Leave the rest of your hair down for a cute finish. 4. Part your hair to one side and create a braid at the back, starting from the top. Braid until you reach the nape of your neck, then gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Repeat the same steps on the other side. 5. Create a small ponytail at the back of the crown and gently loosen it. Just below it, make another small ponytail. Flip the top ponytail inward, then do the same with the lower one. Bring the lower ponytail up through the top section, then gently tighten everything to create a beautiful, voluminous look. 6. At the back of the crown, take a small section of hair from each side and tie them into 2 ponytails. Braid each ponytail separately, then finish by adding cute bows on top for an adorable touch. 7. For short hair, leave a few front strands loose and part your hair to one side. Create a small ponytail at the top on one side and flip it inward, then repeat on the other side. Finally, bring both sections together at the back and secure them into a single ponytail. 8. Take small sections of hair from both sides near your ears and create 2 mini braids. Gently loosen the braids, then pin each one across the top of your head to the opposite side. Finally, bring the front hair forward for a soft, pretty look. 9. Create a small ponytail at the back of the crown, then make another one just below it. Bring the top ponytail under the second ponytail and repeat this pattern 3 to 4 times. Finally, gather all your hair into a low ponytail and finish it off with a pretty ribbon. 10. Leave a few front strands loose and part your hair. On one side, create 2 mini braids, then repeat on the other side. Bring all the braids and side sections together at the back and secure them into a ponytail. Split the ponytail into 2 braids, curl the front strands, and finish by tying ribbons around both braids. That's it, 10 cute and easy school hairstyles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more hairstyle tutorials.